And as you can see, the randomized algorithms generally have much better time bounds. Or, well, they might not seem much, but you already know that for exponential time algorithms, little differences here, so 1.47 versus 1.32, actually makes quite a difference. So they have generally a lot better time bounds than the deterministic algorithms. So it seems that randomized algorithms allow us to achieve a better worst-case running time than deterministic algorithms. Of course, up here it has the advantage that it's actually done after this amount of time, whereas down here it's always an expected running time, and as I said, you're gambling a little bit. You cannot be 100% sure that the algorithm has found a satisfying assignment, even though there might be one.